This coding exercise presents the situation that there are two types of objects, joules and stones, and asks us to find the number of characters in the string joules that are also present in the string stones. One way to solve this problem is to go through each character in joules and each character in stones and check if the two are equal. We will keep track of each time that they are equal and then return that count at the end. Let's start by creating an int variable named result and initializing it to a value of 0. Next, we will have a for loop which will be responsible for iterating over each character in the joules string. To do this, we can begin the for loop at int I equals 0, run it while I is less than joules.size, and increment I by a value of 1 each time. Then we will iterate over each character in the string stones, which we can do using a second for loop. This type of technique, having a for loop inside of another for loop, is often referred to as a double for loop or nested for loop. This inner for loop will start at int j equals 0, run while j is less than stones.size, and increment j by 1 after each iteration. Inside of here we will check if joules at index I is equal to stones at index j, and if so we will increment result. At the bottom of our function, outside of the loops, we will return result. When we run the code to check it, notice that it is correct.